Hey, sir, what do you think you're doing on my dirt bike?
I think your handlebars are a little crooked. They probably do. To them, it's straight, so it don't matter.
Actually, I guess I better just hold this. What's up, guys? We got Jeff on the dirt bike there. Today on the Arctic Vette channel, we're replacing the width supports for the hood on Miss AV here because these ones don't hold up my hood anymore. So I've got these awesome Rock Auto ones. Came in the mail super quick. I've actually got that one set up ready to go. And I've got my temporary support. I'll show you guys how to do this. It's really simple. There's a little pin right here. You just pop that off, and then you can easily pull this off. And then the same thing right down. This one's kind of hidden down here. And then it's the same deal over there on that side. And then to put it back on, you just snap it on. Pretty self-explanatory. You got the gas on? You got the key on?
No.
Do I need to teach you how to start a dirt bike?
I don't have anything on. What you talking about?
There you go.
You already on.
Just like that is how you start a dirt bike. So you just take your take you a flathead screwdriver here, stick it right there, and then pop this little ring off. Once you get that ring off, that opens up this hole a lot more, and then you're able to just pull it right off the peg of the hood. We'll go ahead and put the new ones on. So when you're putting this on, I want to show you guys the strut here. This end is going to go at the top, and the bottom is the end that goes into the shock. Bam! There we go. So now our hood will stay open. But I gotta give you guys a little secret here. Because over on this side, let's run over here real quick. Mate, come on, camera. Alright, camera caught up finally. I have something in the works for me that is going to hook onto this. And what it'll do is it'll pull it down just a little to try and keep some of the strain off the supports, and then it's gonna hook right on into there. So I can't wait to show you guys what that's actually gonna be and what it looks like, but it is coming. I promise it's on its way. We're gonna do a whole episode over it because I'm gonna have to paint it and make it look awesome. So anyhow, if you guys enjoyed this little video, if it helped you out, give us a thumbs up, drop some comments down below, let me know what you think. As always, don't forget to click that red subscribe button, and we will see you guys in the next video. Have a great night.